Good morning, all of you. Yesterday we conducted one test, but only some students sent that marks. What about others? They also want to send the mark today itself. Okay, most of them got 8, 9, 10 like that. Okay, good. Other students also want to send their mark today itself. Then next chapter, linear equations in one variable. That is the second chapter, linear equations. Equations and algebraic expressions, that much things we studied in 7th standard. Okay, what is algebraic expression? Do you remember what is algebraic expressions? I write some examples here. 2x, 3x plus 5, x square plus y square, x cube plus 12, p square q minus 3. These are examples of what? Algebraic expression. Then how we can define algebraic expression? Algebraic expressions are the combination of, it is a combination of variables and some constant. Okay, separated by addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Okay, that is the definition of algebraic expressions. It is a combination of variables and constants separated by the 4 mathematical operations. Okay, such examples are 2x. This all of you can, this so many examples we already learned in 7th standard. Anyway, in the first example, look here, 2x. In this 2x, the unknown variable, that is x, and 2 is the, how we can say the name of 2? 2 is the coefficient of x. 2 is the coefficient of x. Now in the second example, 3x plus 5. There are 2 terms. One term is 3x and the next term is 5. Here also the variable is x and the coefficient of that variable, coefficient of x is 3 and 5 is called the constant term. And also in the both examples, first x, what is the power of this variable x? Here no mention, any power not mentioned, so it will be what? The power of this variable will be 1. Here also the power of the variable is 1. Now look the third example. It is x square plus y square. X square plus y square, 2 terms are there, and the what will be the coefficient of x square now? There are no coefficients written, so what will be that? It will be 1. Instead of 1, we avoid that writing 1, and if it is no coefficients there, what we want to think? The coefficient of x square, here it is 1. Just like the coefficient of y square also, it will be here 1. And what is the power of this x? Okay, power of this x is 2. Power of y is 2. Just like x cube plus 12. In this expression also 2 terms are there. The coefficient of x cube is 1. The power of x cube is 3. Power of x is 3 and the constant term 12. Just like here the last expression is p square q minus 3. Here what will be the coefficient of p square q? It will be 1 and power of p is 2, power of q is 1. Okay, so these are algebraic expressions. Now what will be the difference of algebraic expression and equations? Do you think about it? What is the difference of algebraic expression and equation? I write another expression like this. 2x plus 3 equal 5. 2x plus 3 equal 5 or 15, anything like that. Now what is here? What is the difference of these two here? Otherwise one more expression I write. x plus 7 equal 10. Okay. Now can you find out any common difference in these expressions and in these right side expressions? There is one equality sign. Okay, there is one equality sign. Such expressions are called what? Equations. That means if an algebraic expression contains an equality sign, then that expressions are called equations. And linear equations means if that algebraic expression have only with the variables with the power 1. It should be with the power 1, then we can call it as linear equations. Okay, that is the difference of equations and expressions. And also linear equations means if an equation contains variables with power only 1, such equations are called linear equations. You can see like this: x square plus 3y is equal to 24. Like that you can see some equations. But here you will look, it is the power of x here, that is 2. Here the power is 1. Anyway, the power of x here is 2. So it is not included in the set of linear equations. If it is linear equations, its variables power, it should be 1. So what we discussed now? What are algebraic expressions? Okay, algebraic expressions means it is a combination of variables and constants. Okay, combined with the operations for mathematical operation. Next, equations. If an algebraic expression contains an equality sign, then that such expressions are called equations. And what is linear equations? Linear equations means if an equations having only with the variables power 1, such equations are called linear equations. And linear equations in one variable means, that also want to clear. If one equation x plus y is equal to 16, like that one equation if you have, here how many variables are there? 2 variables are there. So for linear equations in one variable, there will be only one unknown variable. But in this case it have 2 unknown variables. So it is not included in the set of linear equations in one variable. It is a linear equation, but it is not an linear equations in one variable. If it is one variable equation, there will be only one unknown. Okay, these are the main concepts you want to understand before starting this chapter. Okay, now tomorrow onwards we can move to the solution of equation and solving, how we solve one equations. Okay, thank you.